morning. How's it going? We are wiping up Rory's juice that she dumped. She said, she grabbed her cups and said, water, water. And I told her later during bath time. And then she comes up and she's like, well, I guess I can come up with my own plan. And so she goes and she starts dumping her juice into her cup. But there's obviously a discrepancy there in size, so it overflowed quite a lot.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I know. So then I'm cleaning this up, and I turn around, and she's taking rice that she had for breakfast snack, and using her spoon to dump it into her pajamas, because why not? So I said, stop that. And so then she stopped, and she dumped her pajamas out so that they're clean, took them to the living room. I came and grabbed juice so that I could tell you all about it, and I turned around and she was right there, and I like body bumped her, like boom, and she went flying backwards. And then she starts crying because you're so sad, because you thought Daddy was angry and I was punishing you, but I wasn't. I just didn't see you. And so now she's mildly happy again. Yeah, is that what you did?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, don't worry. Daddy's not angry. Because you listened. You didn't make smart choices, but you at least obeyed when Daddy asked you to stop. So we'll work on the smart choices. We'll get you thinking about smart choices.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, what are you doing? You doing bridges? You watching Mommy work out too much?
Yeah.
You working out with Mommy? Nice. Good job. You're gonna be super strong. Oh, don't touch the camera, please.
No bubble.
Yeah, we gotta clean your rice up.
My rice.
Yeah, your rice. She was also not super excited to sit on her potty this morning, so I sat her down. Oh, Rory, we're getting rice everywhere. Hey. She was not excited to sit on her potty, so she sat for like 30 seconds. We gotta clean your rice up first. Your potty's dragging rice everywhere. And then she gets up and wants, chip, chip. And I was like, no, you didn't do anything. You don't get chocolate chips for not doing anything. And then she goes, she sits down, instantly pees, chip, chip. So, girl is chocolate chip crazy. Takes after grandma. Potty? What about potty? You need to go to the potty again? All right. Shrivels had this habit of climbing on top of the fridge. And Rory's had this habit of thinking it's funny and wanting to get up there next to him. How about it? You want to pet the kitty on top of the fridge?
Yeah.
Wow. Here he is. He's just scratching his face on the, whatever that thing's called. You're so high up there. What? What? Are you pretty high?
Yeah.
Wow. Can you touch the ceiling? Almost. Almost. Yeah. I can't touch the ceiling. Can't even touch it. You're so high.
For today's fun activity, she's so excited about it that she's crying. She's gonna dig out like toys from Play-Doh. There's little animals in there. She's gonna dig for them. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, do you see it in there?
No.
You digging it out?
Diddy.
You found a hippo!
I know it. Mommy,
Whoa.
Mommy, ooh.
Whoa, what else? Whoa! You got the construction cone. What you got there? What? That's fun. Play-Doh? Nice.
Something in here smells real good. I'm sure it's not the Brussels sprouts. Whoa, ho, ho, babe. I popped out to go to the bathroom at the right time.
Hashtag quarantine life. Making all of our homemade goodies.
Goodies. That's a Grady. It's steaming out the little vent hole right there, but can I bite it?
No.
Please. Can I lick it? Can I eat it? I want some right now. Kayla tasted her bread without me and wants me to just pretend that she's not had it yet. That would be deceptive.
You haven't had it yet.
That's it. It's a little less, it's like less crunchy hard than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna. What's up? Okay. Oh yeah. I mean, I don't necessarily like crunchy hard, so it doesn't hurt my feelings any. I just looked at the outer edge and was like, that looks like a crunchy piece of bread. Rory's just out here living her best life, getting her hammock swing on.
Daddy?
Yes, Rory.
Wee.
Wee, you swinging on your own swing?
Daddy?
You want me to swing with you?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll try it. It's the annual Stephen Tries Brussels Sprouts again. We've got Brussels fries.
Yeah.
Rory ate it and asked for seconds. It's not good, but it's not gag worthy. That is maybe the best rendition of Brussels sprouts I've ever had. What do you make them with? How do you do that?
I cover them in tahini and salt, and I did, usually it's like garlic and onion powder, but I don't have any garlic, so I used like a garlic seasoning mix thing.
Better than usual than I remember. I might actually start liking them in like 10 years at this rate. It's still not amazing. Ooh, those look good too, babe. Your mama's a good cook, Rory. She's like, give me one of them, mommy. Hand it over. Yeah, you do.
I don't know why you think that's funny.
Rory, don't pinch me. Ow. Rory, don't. You're so rude.
I love you.
Drinking from the fire hose.
You're gonna get cold. Don't we have amazing water pressure? You're soaked, girl.
You ready to get a hot bath?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
Her face. It's nice. Like, I don't know. There's definitely a change, like, after having her and her being a little older. Like, having a fire seems more fun than just you and me putting in the work to sit and have a fire. For some reason. I don't know. It's just nice. It's
Did it pinch your finger?
something to do.
Oh, no.
So we've been having, like, lots of fires. But we're probably not going to do that for a few days because it's going to be cold and rainy. So enjoyed the last of the warm days. Anyways, I am cold now that the fire's gone. I'm going to go give Rory a warm bath because she has to be freezing.
Yeah, right? Progress is continuing upstairs. We get 2 hours in, 2.5 hours in each day. We'll get there. Closet is coming along. We'll get that hallway put together and the doorway. The hallway? The doorway. I'm gonna call it a doorway. Put together. That'd be good. We'll catch you tomorrow. Any words of wisdom? I love you.